So in this video we will set up Django REST framework for our project, which was employee details management app. So I will start up with installing Django REST framework. Django REST framework is a framework built over Django. So I will install that. Let's wait for a sec. And since I have already installed it, so it says that requirements is already satisfied. So I will start up with creating a project, which is Django -admin space start project space tutorial 1. So now our project is created. Inside a project I will create an app. So I will move to tutorial 1 and I will create an app over here, manage.py space start app space first app. So now I will set up the settings for this Django REST framework, which is actually mandatory for every project that we start. So this thing I have to do. So I will go to Django. I will go to first tutorial 1 settings.py. I will close that, and then into installed app I will add an element REST framework. Along with that I will first app. I think everything will be fine for now. And now I will go to my app and create models for it. So I will go to models.py, close that. So as you know, this particular series is about employee details. So the models regarding it would be consist of the following fields. First one is an employee name, which is models.char field with max length of 20. Other one is phone number with models.integer field, and next one is designation. This is an extra field that I am adding over here, which I haven't showed in the previous view. So char field with max length equals to 15, and I will define str function so that whenever I call a particular object of employee, it returns me the name of the particular employee. So self dot emp name. Now I will migrate this particular. I will make all the migrations. For that, python space manage.py space migrate. It will take some time, and then I will go to python space manage.py space make migrations. So it created my employee model. Now I will migrate this also. Python space manage.py space migrate to my database. Okay, this was done. Now I will start up with using manage.py shell to create employee instance, so I will import it from first app dot models import employee and even equals to employee. I will create an instance of it so to check if it is working fine. Emp name equals to James with phone equals to 2345, and since I have to give a designation fresher, I'm not entering any posts so for now. So sorry, my mistake. I will correct that and save that object. Even dot save. Now when I click, this is my object, even dot emp name, even dot phone. As you can see, all the fields are correct. So that's all for our first video. If you liked it, don't forget to like it, and thanks for watching.